In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem voucher codes on Lazada. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Lazada on your device and sign in into your account. Now in here, go ahead and head over to your cart. Now on your cart, go ahead and select the items that you want to check out before clicking on that checkout button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now on the checkout page, go ahead and scroll down on this section and you'll be able to find this enter voucher code section. So in this enter voucher code section, go ahead and enter the voucher code that you have for Lazada. After you enter that, your voucher code will be successfully redeemed for your current order if the minimum amount spent of your current order is above or equal to the minimum spend required by the voucher code. And that is how you can simply redeem voucher codes on Lazada. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.